Alright everyone, this is another day. Welcome back. Today's gonna be a little bit more serious. I got a few parts come in. I got a care package from Dave, and let's go ahead and do an unboxing on it, and I'll change, and then I don't have much time because little Rufio is upstairs taking a nap, so I possibly might have 1 hour and 30 minutes, close to 2 hours. So let's go ahead and do the unboxing, see what we got from our little care package. Alright, here we go. Pressure plate. Hell, 6-puck clutch. Okay, all right. Looks like a stockish pressure plate. Got the bell housing. Hell yeah, finally. We'll go ahead and mount this up, and then we'll put it in the car. I don't know if you saw any of that, but pretty self-explanatory. We got all the bolts in, shift fork in, throw out bearing in. Pretty simple. Now let's put on the clutch, flywheel, and see if we can kind of mate it together. All right, let's go ahead. Pressure plate in. I like to use blue Loctite on these. Just get them all in.
These look like ARP bolts too. These are 12 points. And then these get torqued down to 34 foot-pounds. Just a little dab will do. Oh, I'm missing one. And 14 foot-pounds. So I don't know how this is gonna work, but let's give it a try. I remember doing this kind of stuff back when I was in Salinas in my old garage. Let's see if I'm as strong as I was back then. Alright, so I'm not gonna film this because, yeah, it's gonna be a while. I don't know if you could see this, but she's in. I need a transmission mount for that. As you can hear, what do you want? What do you want? Radio? She's pretty dead, so I suggest everyone to have this little jump pack. This thing is amazing. Turn that on. Everything's on. Oh. So fuel pump on, accessory on, fans on, ignition on, and turn the fans off. Let's turn the fans off. Let's see if we can start her. Oh, she's running. Oh, she's running. Oh, she's running. Oh, Alright, folks. Well, our transmission's in, and we had Gabe over here. I don't know if you can see him. Gabe, he showed up as soon as I got the transmission in, and little man woke up within an hour and a half. So I wasn't able. Well, I still got it in all by myself. I struggled for a long time, but it's in. We're going to do a first startup on this engine right now, and well, I need to put the exhaust back on, which is only 3 volts, and after that we'll go ahead and start this up. Let's see, the things I need is a new transmission mount. All it is, I have the mount, I just need the actual spongy thing to have it on. I got the bracket in, I'll show you in just a little bit, but that is what I'm waiting for, because I also need a yoke for the transmission. I have an R154 yoke. I need a W58 yoke, so I need to order that. So this can run under its own power. So let's go ahead, do a cold start, warm up everything on this car, and yeah, let's hear this bad boy. All right.